Alright, so after we have our metal case off that protects our main board, we can go ahead and start unplugging everything and unscrewing it. So once we do unplug everything, there are 4 screws, 1 in each corner. And when you are undoing the wires in your plugs, you want to make sure you pull by the plug, the plastic piece, and not the wire, because we want to save these plugs for our new main board. So we'll go ahead and start unplugging everything. And these do have designated spots, so you don't have to worry about which one goes where. So go ahead and pull out all these plugs. You want to be careful because you don't want to pull the wire out of the actual plug itself. So if you can, try to get your fingers underneath the plug so you don't pull on the wire. If I can get to it, go to the other ones first. Get all those out. Sorry there. And then we'll get these guys out. 1, 2, and they are a little tight. And we'll get this guy out. And we'll get this one. See if you can get your finger on the plug like that instead of pulling on the wires like that. I don't know if you can see that. Instead of doing that, pull on the plug like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. If I can get my finger on it. There we go. And then so we got all of our cables undone, and our last cable is this blue ribbon cable, and that's for our screen. So it does have a lock on it. So what you're gonna do is gonna push this down, and it is folded underneath. So unfold this like so, and now if I can find the lock on it. Oh, so there is no lock on this one. I think there's just for the Hyosons. So we'll just slowly unplug that. And now that we have everything free of our old main board, we can go ahead and unscrew it from our screen. Oops. We don't want to lose those because these are for our new main board. Go and do this screw. Oops. And we have the 2 on the right. Undo this bottom one. And we'll get this last one up top. And so I do like to hold it by this USB just so we don't drop our main board. And we'll grab that screw as well. And it should just easily pop off. Now I might be missing a screw. Yes, so there is one hiding right there. We'll go ahead and do that one as well. Hold this up. So now we got our main board disconnected, and we'll go put this in a safe spot aside, and we'll go grab our new main board right now. So here's our new main board in our package, and we'll unwrap it. And you want to be very careful with this, because this is our new main board. And then it does come with a printout of the latest software. So right here, you can put this aside. And then here is our new main board. So we'll go ahead and install this right now. We can get a screwdriver. Go ahead, we'll line this up with our screw holes. We'll grab our screw. Oops. Drop one screw. Oops. See if we can do this without dropping another screw. Oh, no we can't. Sorry. Try the last screw right here. Alright, so sorry, got another screws. Let's see if I can line this up without dropping any more screws. Awesome, so we got one screw in, and we'll go ahead and put that one in loosely so it doesn't mess up our board. We'll grab our other 4 screws and we'll go put it in this corner up top. Then we grab our last 2 screws and we'll go ahead and put them on this side. And we'll grab our last screw for the last corner. Alright, so now that we got our main board screwed in, and you don't want to wrench on those too tight, we can go ahead and plug all of our ports back in. So we get this 2 plug in there, grab our next plug, plug that one in, and so on and so on. And then we'll do our ribbon cable for our screen. You want to make sure you're very delicate with this cable. You don't want to jam it into its port. If I can get it in, lined up. Awesome. And slowly slide that into its slot. You can tuck it up like how it was before. And then we'll go ahead and finish plugging in the rest of our cables. Like so. Phone lines and internet lines. Go ahead and put our gen cam in. Awesome. So I think I got everything hooked up in here. And now we should be ready to go through our metal case back on. And it does just slide into these teeth right here with this teeth on either side. Now teeth are slid in, we can put in our screws on the top. Go ahead and throw our other screw on. Sometimes it doesn't work out in your favor, but that's alright. Just grab our screw. Alright, let's try this one more time. Alright, so now we got everything screwed in and hooked up, and we can go to the front of our machine, tilt our fascia back up, screw it in, and boot our machine up.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.